Hello friends, myself is Anjana Pawar, HGM College, Karad. Now in last lecture, we studied some example based on the composite theorem. Now again we start the example based on the composite theorem. So write down the first example, differentiate the following function with respect to x. My first example, y is equal to log of x to the base e square. Now, we know that what is the derivative of y is equal to log of x. So, derivative of y is equal to log of x, dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. This is the standard form. But, whenever you find the derivative of log of x, you check here base is e. If base is e, we can straightforward answer is 1 by x. But, here, what is your example? Y is equal to log of x to the base e square. So here given function is two type composite function because first standard function is log and sub function is log of x. So this is a composite function. We can use here composite theorem formula. So what is here? What is the derivative of log of x? 1 upon x. But here base is not e. The base is e square. So your first step is change base formula. So we can use here logarithmic for theorem, change base formula. We can change the base, we convert the base is e. So log of x to the base e divided by log of e square to the base e. Okay? So हमने first इसमें base change किया. इसमें e लिखा नहीं तब भी चलेगा, लेकिन if you not write here e, so we consider here e, but यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है e. Now this is a y function log of x to the base e divided by log of e divided by base of e. Now we find the derivative. Before we find the derivative, we know the rules. Log of e square. Whatever square, we can use here exponential form. What is the exponential form? Log of a raised to x, we can write x log of a. So, y is equal to, again we can convert in simple form, log of x as it is divided by a raised to x. Suppose log of a raised to x, we can take a power is front. So, 2 log of e to the base e. Now, we know that log of e to the base e, answer is 1. So therefore, it is a simple form 1 by 2 log of x. We do not write here e, we consider here base is e. Now this is your simple form. Now we simple form, we can differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So we get here dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 is constant taken outside. What is the log derivative? 1 by x. So what is the log of x derivative? Is 1 by log of x. So multiply here 1 by log of x. But this is the composite form. So again a derivative of log of x. So again a derivative here log of x with respect to x. Now we check this function is standard function. Yes, this function is here standard function. We can take direct derivative. What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. So we get a final answer. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 multiply 1 upon log of x multiply 1 upon x. So we get final answer. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2x multiply log of x. So whenever is log term example, we check first base is e. If base is not e, so we can change base formula and then we differentiate. Now we can take a next example. Y is equal to, my second example, y is equal to log of x to the base 5 to the base 3. Log of x to the base 5 to the base e. Now we differentiate this with respect to x. So whenever a function is coming, we check first the function is standard form. So check y is equal to log log of x to the base 5. So it is not a standard form. This is a composite form. Standard function log and sub function log of x of base of 5. Now first then after एक बार आपको समझ में आया स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन कौन सा है और सब फंक्शन कौन सा है. हमें यहाँ पे समझ में आया कि स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन मेरा लॉग है, तो मैं लॉग के बाद में क्या चेक करूँगी, उसका बेस ई है क्या. सो उसका बेस ई नहीं है, उसका बेस क्या है यहाँ पे 3 है. सो वो बेस हमें कन्वर्ट करना है ई में. सो वी कैन यूज हियर चेंज बेस फॉर्मूला log of x to the base 5 divided by log of 3 to the base e. सो यहाँ पे बेस चेंज किया, नहीं लिखा तभी चलेगा. वी कंसीडर हियर e. नाउ अगेन इन सब फंक्शन में क्या है log of x to the base 5. सो अगेन दिस इज नॉट बेस e. सो अगेन वी कैन चेंज हियर बेस फॉर्मूला. सो सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं हम लोग log of x divided by log of 5 divided by log of 3. Now again simplify log in term u upon v होगा या u मल्टीप्लाई v होगा, तो हम लोग रूल्स ऑफ लॉगरिथम यूज करेंगे, प्रोडक्ट रूल या क्वेश्चन रूल. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्वेश्चन रूल यूज करेंगे. log a अपॉन b होगा तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे log of a माइनस log of b. सो यहाँ पे log of 3 इज अ कांस्टेंट, यू टेक इट आउटसाइड. So y is equal to 1 upon log of 3 is constant, take it outside inside the bracket. Log of x minus, we can use here quotient rule of logarithm, log of 5. What is my quotient rule? Since log of a upon b, we can write log a minus log b. This is my quotient rule. Now it is very simplified in term of u minus v. So y is equal to u minus v. How to differentiate? Derivative of u and derivative minus derivative of v. But यहाँ पे v term in composite form, because log of x, your standard function is log, but inside is not x. The sub function is log of x. So पहले हम लोग इसका डेरिवेटिव log के हिसाब से लेंगे and again the derivative of log of x. Now what is v term? Here no term is x. So this is whole term is constant term. So we consider is a constant. So what is the derivative of constant term? Is 0. Now यहाँ पे 1 upon log 3 is constant. So log 3 is constant. If you take a derivative, you take it outside. Because here ये multiply, so multiply rule के हिसाब से log of 3 is constant, take it outside and only find the derivative of u minus v. So now differentiate with respect to x. This is the simple form. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon log 3 is constant, take it outside, multiply derivative of this term. What is the derivative of log? 1 upon x. What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon log of x. So 1 upon log of x. Again the derivative of composite form, which is derivative of log of x, minus this whole term is no term is x. So it is constant. What is the derivative of constant? Is 0. So it's 0. So is equal to 1 upon log of 3 is as it is. 1 upon log of x is as it is. What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x. So multiply 1 upon x minus term. So we get a same term. So this whole term multiply. So we get the final answer. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x log of 3 multiply log of x. I hope you understand what is my example. So again we check what is my example. Y is equal to log of x to the base 5 to the base 3. So पहले हमने क्या किया, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है या कंपोजिट फॉर्म है चेक किया. दिस इज नॉट द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, दिस इज द कंपोजिट फॉर्म. कंपोजिट फॉर्म चेक करने के बाद हमने स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन एंड सब फंक्शन चेक किया. सो स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन लॉग है, उसके अंदर कंपोजिट या सब फंक्शन log of x to the base 5 है. स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन का मैंने फर्स्ट बेस चेक किया. सो बेस इज नॉट 3 नॉट ई. सो वी चेंज बेस फॉर्मूला से हमने बेस उसको ई करके लिया एंड देन अगेन हमने सिंप्लीफाई करके एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किया. Now we start the another example which is based on the rule of differentiation and composite theorem. Means इसके मिक्सचर में हमें एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करना है. So again we solve next type, differentiate the following function which is the type of rules of differentiation and composite function. So write down the first example, differentiate the following function with respect to x. Y is equal to, first example, y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 3 plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to the power 4. So what is the rules of differentiation? First, y is term of u plus v. U is the function of x, v is the function of x. So differentiate y with respect to x. So how to simplify? Differentiate with respect to u with respect to x. Differentiate v with respect to x. So we get dy by dx is equal to, how to find dy by dx? Derivative of u with respect to x plus derivative of v with respect to x. This is addition rule. Similarly, suppose y is function of in term of u and v but minus sign. So same rule. Only here given minus sign. Okay. Now suppose y in term of u multiply v. So we can use the differentiation rule. Dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? Use the product rule. What is the product rule? U is the constant derivative of v with respect to x plus v is the constant derivative of u with respect to x. This is the u multiply v rule. And suppose y in term of u upon v, that time we use the quotient rule. Dy by dx is equal to v derivative of u with respect to x minus v the u derivative of v with respect to x divided by v square. So this rule and composite term of mixture we can solve here. So what is first example? Y is equal to u plus v form. Correct है? This is example in term of u plus v form. U is a term, u is a function in term of x. V is a function in term of x. So we can find the derivative of y with respect to x. So straightforward, we can use the first rule this. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 3 with respect to x plus derivative of x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to the power 4 with respect to x. Now given u and v in either your standard function or composite function. So x square plus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 3. This is not your standard function. This is your composite function. Which is your standard function and composite form? Your sub function. Here x raised to n. This is your standard function. And x square plus 4x plus 1. This is your sub function. So standard function का x raised to n का derivative क्या होगा? n x raised to n minus 1. So what is the derivative of here? 3. Whatever power taking from 3. X square plus 4x. This is you consider x whole x. So x square plus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 3 minus 1 which is 2. But this is your not x. Again a derivative of this term. So derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1 with respect to x. Now this is plus sign as it is. Again this is a form of composite form which is here standard function x raised to n. What is here sub function? X cube minus 5x minus 2. So we can consider first derivative of x raised to n form. So what is the derivative of? We consider here all this term is x. So what is the derivative of x raised to 4? Is 4x raised to 3. So 4x cube minus 5x minus 2 as it is raised to the power 4 minus 1, which is 3. Again a derivative of, this is not x. This is a sub function. So again we can find the derivative x cube minus 5x minus 2. Now this is a very simple form. We direct take a derivative because x square, this is the x raised to n form. 4 is constant, derivative of x is 1. 1 is a constant derivative is 0. Similarly here, derivative with respect to x. Similarly here, x raised to n form, minus 5 is constant, what is the derivative of x is 1, and minus 2 is constant, derivative of constant term is 0. So we get a final answer 3. X squared plus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 2 inside the bracket 2x plus 4 plus 4x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to the power 3 inside the bracket 3x squared minus 5. So this is your final answer. dy by dx is equal to 3 multiply x squared plus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 2 multiply 2x plus 4 plus 4 multiply x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 3x square minus 5. Now you can take a next example. Y is equal to, next example, y is equal to 1 plus 4x raised to the power 5 multiply 3 plus x minus x square raised to the power 8. So here given function in form of u multiply v. So we use here rules of differentiation by product rule. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, use here product rule. What is product rule? U is constant, derivative of v plus v is constant, derivative of u. So 3 plus x minus x square raised to the power 8, derivative of 1 plus 4x raised to the power 5 with respect to x plus 1 plus 4x raised to the power 5 is constant, derivative of 3 plus x minus x square raised to the power 8 with respect to x. Now you check here, u term and v term is your standard function or composite function. So this is not your standard function, this is a composite function. So what is your standard form? Standard form is x raised to n. And what is your composite form? 1 plus 4x. So यहाँ पे दो फंक्शन है, एक स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन है x raised to n सा and then सब फंक्शन है 1 plus 4x. Similarly, v function is not a standard function, it is a composite function. So यहाँ पे standard form है x raised to a. This is your standard form. But what is your sub function? 3 plus x minus x square. So we can use here composite theorem. पहले हम लोग स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन के हिसाब से डेरिवेटिव निकाल लेंगे और देन आफ्टर इमीडिएटली सब फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे. Similarly here, so we can differentiate dy by dx is equal to 3 plus x minus x square raised to the power 8 as it is. स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन के हिसाब से इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा 5 inside the bracket 1 plus 4x raised to the power 5 minus 1 which is 4 and again a derivative of composite form 1 plus 4x. So 1 plus 4x derivative with respect to x. Similarly plus sign as it is 1 plus 4x raised to the power 5. What is the derivative of here? स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन के हिसाब से x raised to 8 का डेरिवेटिव होगा 8 3 plus x minus x square raised to the power 8 minus 1 which is 7 and again a derivative of composite form. What is your composite? 3 plus x minus x square with respect to x. Now this is a easy form. 1 is constant, negative derivative is 0. 4 is constant. What is the derivative of x? Is 1. Similarly here 3 is constant, derivative of 0. 1 is x डेरिवेटिव इज 1 एंड माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर डेरिवेटिव x रेज टू n के फॉर्म से 2x. सो वी कैन गेट अ फाइनल आंसर dy by dx is equal to 5 3 plus x minus x square raised to the power 8 multiply 1 plus 4x raised to the power 4 multiply 4 because derivative of 1 is 0 and 4x derivative is 4 plus 8 1 plus 4x raised to the power 5 3 plus x minus x square raised to the power 7 derivative of this term is 1 minus 2x. So this is your final answer for this example. Now write the next example. Y is equal to x upon, third example, y is equal to x upon square root of 7 minus 3x. So given example in form of u upon v. So first we use here rules of quotient. u upon v का डेरिवेटिव डिफरेंशिएशन रूल यूज करेंगे. देन आफ्टर यू चेक करेंगे u फंक्शन इज कांस्टेंट और स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन या कंपोजिट फंक्शन, एंड उसके हिसाब से हम लोग इसके अंदर कंपोजिट थ्योरम यूज करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द रूल्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन? सो डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो dy by dx is equal to v derivative of u with respect to x minus x derivative of square root of 7 minus 3x with respect to x divided by v square. So what is here v square? So square root of 7 minus 3x whole square. Now we differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to, this term is as it is. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? Is 1 minus x. Now here this v is a composite form. So which composite form here? Square root of x is a standard function and सब function क्या है यहाँ पे? 7 minus 3x. So पहले हम लोग square root of x के हिसाब से डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा इसका? Multiply. What is the square root of x derivative? 1 upon 2 root x. So multiply 2 root 7 minus 3x. But this is not my x. So again a derivative of 7 minus 3x with respect to x. Square root term of squaring, we get square root is deleted. So 7 minus 3x is as it is. Now this is your standard form. What is the derivative of 7? Is 0. Minus 3 is constant, take it outside. What is the derivative of x? Which is 1. So we get a final answer. dy by dx is equal to square root of 7 minus root 3x minus x upon 2 root of 7 3x multiply minus 3 divided by 7 minus 3x. Now denominator is not same here. We can cross multiplication. So dy by dx is equal to this minus and this minus, we get plus. This term multiply here, we get 2 root of root multiply, we get root is negligible. So we get here 7 minus 3x plus 3x. Minus minus become plus 3x divided by 2 root of 7 minus 3x divided by 7 minus 3x. Now simplify here. So dy by dx is equal to, multiply here. So we get 2 multiply 7, we get 14 minus 6x plus 3x. Denominator to denominator, numerator to denominator, go to the denominator, we get 2 root of 7 minus 3x multiply 7 minus 3x. So here power of here 7 minus 3x is 1 by 2, power here 1. So base is same, addition of power. So we get simplify here dy by dx is equal to 14 minus 3x. 6 minus plus 3x, we get minus 3x divided by 2 multiply 7 minus 3x raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2. So this is your final answer. I hope you all understand. Now next lecture we solve another example for same composite theorem. Thank you.